Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The chocolate wafer company first appeared in Japan through parent company Nestlé in 1973. In 2000, Nestlé Japan released its first non-chocolate flavor, strawberry. Since then, Kit Kat has created over 350 varieties and embedded itself in Japanese culture. 5 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Japan. While Kit Kat bars are a popular chocolate treat in America, they are extremely popular in Japan, where you can find over 300 flavors. They are also given to others as a good luck gift, and sold in special packaging. Kit Kat bars were always one of the more popular chocolate candy bars in America. 28 January 2020.
Take our lead.
The chocolate-covered wafer bar gives you a sensation that no other candy can give you. Kit Kats have an amazing taste that no other candy can compare to. It has a delicious wafer covered in scrumptious chocolate. This may seem not that special, but Kit Kats have a delicious filling to the wafer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Made with a dark chocolate coating, these Kit Kats have a bright mint green cream filling between the wafers and taste quite refreshing for a chocolate bar. A large bag of 11 bars is around 400 yen, and smaller boxes range from 200 to 322 sen. January 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.